Today we got this device. It's the Samsung S23 Ultra. And this device it has a problem with the loudspeaker. There is some sound strange. It's not clear and not loud. Sorry, I didn't let you listen to that problem, but we are going to let you see how we can replace this one with a new one. This job it doesn't need too much skill, but we need to remove the back. The back it's a water resistant, so it needs some heat. So we can go under it using the suction cup. You may use some tools with the plastic. The back is made from glass, so we don't need to break it. So you have to be careful. Using you can use the suction with the alcohol. I'm using the isopropyl 99.9%. This is good for PCB and for the adhesive. This make the adhesive go soft, and in this way we can insert inside and making a gap using a plastic piece. Once we are inside, it will be easy to be remove the back. Alright, some alcohol. Sometimes it takes some time to remove it, especially if this is the first time this device is being opened. So you don't need to be rush. Just go easily and carefully. These two is good to make the job perfect. There is also nothing perfect, but we try to make everything perfect. I can't even now putting my nails inside, but I'm somehow getting that gap. I don't need to use some tools that could broke the back. Alright, so the back sometimes it could be cracked and somehow you can't see the crack. And if you put something or weak or the back is weak, and once you put some heavy pull, it could be broke. We make the gap finally. Now as you can see we put that plastic and we swipe all over the edges. You don't have to go in the middle, just all over the edges, and that's enough. I like the Samsung how they made their adhesive. It's a very good one. It's a very good one, and it's stay in a good shape after you remove it using the alcohol. It doesn't get damage. You can see when we remove the back. Alright. Anyway, I'm going to mention this device will be no longer water resistant, so you have to be carefully. Once you open it, it's done. Also, this device is not that water resistant. It's water resistant if you drop water or any liquids on it. But if you go to swimming, I don't recommend that. In the swimming pool, there's some consider subscribing. There is some liquids inside the pool that may damage the adhesive and making some pressure. Pressure, yeah. The pressure makes there is some liquids it called here in Arabic chlor, but I don't know what could it be in the water or in English. Let me search on it and see what it means. So I'm in translator now. All right. Let's see what it is. Let's from Arabic to English. Shallow Rhine. Shallow Rhine. Chlorine.
Chlorine.
Oh shit, it's chlorine. Chlorine. Alright, I get it. Oh, I didn't see where we are in it. Alright, be careful why you are removing this one. I don't like to cut these materials, just giving it one piece. It's the wireless charging, so make it one piece. You can see the circle in the middle. It's wireless charging. Alright, we don't need to unplug anything. We just need to remove the screws from the bottom. The bottom contains the loudspeaker. It's a shield to the subboard. While once you remove it, you replace it with another one. And that's all what we have to do. Remove it. You may fix it, but I recommend you to ignore it and replace it. May you blow on it and get it fixed, but I replaced it for the customer. It's not that expensive and it's in our store. So for a better job, we just replace it with a new one. Put the screws back, make sure the voice is going good, and that's it. We assemble the phone back, and that's it. We give it to the customer, and we get our paid. Alright, if you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comment below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to buy our merchandise. And if you don't like them, please let us know. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. I'm going to mention that I'm opening the YouTube and put sounds. It's called Barbie Girl, and I make the voice not clear, so for the copyrights I don't want to appear onto my video. Thank you.